Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to open the Facebook application in your mobile. Tap on these three bars or the profile picture in the top right corner. Then you have to tap on this see more and you will find this option here, pages. Just tap on it. Now you can see your all pages here. If you want to create a new one, tap on this create in the top left. Now from over here you can select personal profile or public page. We are going for page. Tap on it, public page, tap on next. Now simply tap on this get started. Now first thing, you have to enter your page name. After giving it a name, tap on this next. Now what I can do is choose the category. So what kind of page you are creating? I'm going for creator here. Let's say digital creator. Tap on this create now. Once it's created, you can choose is it for content or for product. So we want to create content. Tap on this. Tap on continue. Now you have to enter these things. You have to fill this bio, contact, website, email address, location and all these things here. And then click on next, and after this it's going to ask you to set up your profile. After you set up your Facebook page profile, your Facebook page will be created. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.